Hi, today we are going to know about Google Search Console. This tool helps you to measure your site's search traffic and performance, fix issues, and make your site shine in Google search results. Google Search Console homepage. In the overview section, we can see the performance. Coverage. In the coverage area, we can see the pages with errors and the total number of valid pages. Like there are 0 pages with error and a total number of valid pages are 75. You can download your report from Google Analytics. Also, if you want to see the performance of your website, you can also see in the last 3 months, the total number of clicks is 105 impressions, 11.2K average, center 0.9%, average position is 11.2%. Just scroll down the screen and you can also see the queries in the last 3 months, like distant marketing companies in Delhi. The total number of clicks in this query 6, and impression is 976. And you can also see another query. If you want to download this report, you can just click on the export. Here you can download in Google Sheet format, download Excel format, download CSV format. And if you want to see the top performing pages in the last 3 months, you can check. Just click on the Pages section. Scroll down and you can see the top performing pages like this. This is the dummy account that I am showing to you. You can also see the countries like India is the top performing country for our website. You can also select the date. If you want to see the data from the last 7 days, just click on the 7 days then apply. You can see the data from the last 7 days. These are the queries. Click on those queries to get an impression. If you want to select any date, you can select it in the Google Search Console, just go to the custom then click on the date. You can type any date, then click apply. In the downward section, you can see which is the digital marketing companies in India. Impressions are 4 and clicks are 1. Top performing page. These are the top performing pages for the date 19th of December, and the total number of clicks on the 19th of December is 5, and the total impression is 250. You can also update your sitemap from the Google Search Console. Just enter the URL and then click on the Submit button. Then your sitemap will be updated. You can also perform many other activities from Google Search Console. That is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And click on the bell button for all the notifications.